to show you today one of the most affordable homes in the city of Elk Grove. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, about 1,600 square foot. Lot size is about 5,500. It was built in 1996. A very decent, good-looking home. Entry price point at $575. Very hard to find a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story, 2-car garage, no HOA home at this point in the city at this price point. Let's get you inside and show you what an entry-level home in Elk Grove can get you at $575. Thank you for watching the video. To watch the tour of this specific home, if you are thinking about moving to Elk Grove and buying your home here, we have helped a lot of families move over to Elk Grove and buy homes in the most desired neighborhoods, the most affordable neighborhoods, and everything in between. Our team would love to help you. Get in touch today. Thank you.